Eiko jopuonjre madhi timo penj madongo mag grade mar auchiel klas 8 kod klas 12 chakre dwe mar 11 higani.
Magoha mane loso e kinde mano ya okang' mar 2 mar kilese CBC skul sekondar ma Honorable Jonyuol Nairobi okoni moko kuom jopiny osebedo ka duoko piny geno ma jopuonjre ni godo kaluwore gi weche magigolo ni kinde tin kendo owinjo chwal penj nyime.
Okoni penj go biro dhi nyime kaka osechan maonge rochruok moro amora.
Let us focus on the children preparing for their exams and let us support them to take their exams starting from November. There will be 3 exams. There were 4 this year. We did 1. I think there will be there will be 3 exams this end of year, and those exams should end by the 23rd of December. Everything has been put in place to ensure that everything goes smoothly. As we are speaking to you now, the last assessment for the grade 6 is ongoing. It will continue until the 9th. So it's also important for us to encourage the children and to ensure that they are all at school and they are supported.